Greetings to all. Myself Vaishnavi, Assistant Professor, IT Department from SNS College of Engineering. Now we are going to see about the integration testing and system testing in object-oriented software engineering. First one, integration testing. Integration testing, it is the process of testing where the two or more modules of the software are combined and tested together to verify the proper flow of the data and functionality between them. It is done after the unit testing and before the system testing. Purpose of integration testing. Here we have to check how the different modules are work together and to detect the errors in interaction between the integrated units and to verify the correct data transfer between the modules and to test the combined functionalities. Why integration testing is important? In the real world application, modules depend on each other. So even if the individual modules work correctly, they may fail when integrated due to communication issues. So and then integration testing ensure the smooth working of the combined modules. Types of integration testings. We have four types. First one, Big Bang integration testing, top-down integration testing, and bottom-up integration testing. Fourth one, sandwich or hybrid integration testing. First one, Big Bang integration testing. In this type, all the modules are combined together at once and tested as a whole system. Example, in shopping app, we go with the login page and then we search that items. If we like that items, we give it as add to cart and then the payment. And then all the modules are combined and tested together after the development is completed. Second testing is a top-down integration testing. In this type, testing start from the top level, that is from the main module, and moves to the down to the sub-modules like step-by-step process. Example, in university portal, the start testing from the dashboard, then go to the student module, and then fee payment module will appear. Third one will be the bottom-up integration testing. In this testing, the testing starts from the lower level module and moves up to the main module. Example, in an ATM system, the first test case dispense module, then pin verification module, and then finally the main control module. Fourth one will be the sandwich or hybrid integration testing. It is a combination of both the top-down and bottom-up approaches. In an online exam portal, the test the student module and then admin module at the same time. So this comes under the integrated. Next topic will be the system testing. Uh, what in system testing, it is a type of software testing where the complete software is tested as a single unit to check whether it meets the customer requirements or not. It is completely performed after the integration testing. Purposes of system testing is to check the complete working of the software from start to end, to find the defects in the entire system, and then to ensure the systems work in the real time like how the user will use it. Here we have some features of the system testing. First one is the purpose. The purpose of the system testing will test the entire software as a whole, and it is done after the integration testing will happen, and the testing focuses on the functionality, performance, security, and the user experiences. And then example, here we have that railway reservation system. It's from login to the ticket booking. And then features are tested in the system testings. First one will be the functionality of the all the modules and then user interfaces. Third one, performance security. Fourth one, compatibility, and fifth one will be the user all overall user experiences. Example of a system testing, as I said earlier, here we have the example of online railway reservation systems, and the system testing check can user register a new account, that is comes at a login page, can user search for the train, and then can user book the ticket or and then make a payment, will user receive the ticket confirmation on email or SMS, and then can user cancel the ticket and get the refund. These comes under the system testings. And then types of testing performed in system testing. Here we have 5 types, that is functional testing, performance testing, security testing, compatibility testing, and usability testings. In first one, functionality testing, it checking whether the each features works properly. And then performance testing, it checks the speed and response time. In security testing, it checks the data whether it is protected. And fourth testing will be the compatibility testing, checking in mobile, laptops, and then different browsers. Fifth one will be the usability testing, it checking whether user friendly design. Thank you.